Hi everyone, it's Nicole and happy fall. It is now fall time. It's hard to believe, but summer's over and I'm here with some new fall embellishments. So to kick off our fall embellishments, I have some pumpkins. So when you order your file of pumpkins, you will get 2 files for the price of 1 because we're going to give you 2 tones. So you have the deep orange and then the more bright orange pumpkins. So you'll get 2 files for the price of 1. And this will be 1 file. And then I said, oh, I want some. I know Halloween is a little bit off, but away. But since he was doing the pumpkins, I said, can you put faces on some of them? So he did a file of pumpkin faces. So again, you'll get the deep orange and the bright orange in 1 file. And then I loved those wood slices so much to mat the photos that I asked him to make some bigger pumpkins so that we could use them as an embellishment foundation for our pictures. So again, you'll get the bright orange and the deeper orange. So for $1.50, you'll get both of them. And again, these are digital prints and you can print them on some white cardstock or some pattern paper or some vellum, whatever your choice is. And then if you look at the regular pumpkins, he's got sort of a wide pumpkin. And then he's got a tall pumpkin. And then more like an oval pumpkin. And then he's got the 3 pumpkins stack. So basically each of those pumpkins are also available in the bigger size. So that'll be really nice to be able to mat, kind of do an embellishment cluster next to your photo. This can be a nice foundation. So this is the digital files that are available this week. You can just click on the description box below, or you can go to NicoleJonesNow1.com, and all these digital files and so much more are available. And like I said, this is kicking off the fall season. Next week, I know it's going to be leaves. Leaves are the next one for the fall, our fall collection. So that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.